Just a quick message to everybody in the beginning of the video. I will be hosting more live streams. I think I might be streaming right now at the time this video drops, doing some live streams carrying people and just grinding with people. So if you're a beginner to the game and you don't know what to do, hop on the chat, hop on my Discord server. The link is down below, and let's just help each other out. Okay, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and I forgot to turn off my sound. But welcome back to another video, and in this video, guys, it's going to be a beginner's guide here to Anime World Tower Defense. And I'm doing this video because a lot of people come into my chat when I stream, and they keep asking, what do I do? I'm confused. Who should I evolve? Who should I do this? How do I do that? How to do this? Because I realize that this game is very beginner friendly when it comes to not being pay to win and easy to catch up, but it is also very confusing for beginners because there's a lot of stuff to do. So I'm going to be telling you guys everything that you should do and how to basically get your set, how to get started on the game, guys. So if you guys excited, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to join my Discord server if you like awtd or if you like any other Roblox games, because we're just bringing the Discord server back. Right now, if you join the server before Sunday, we are going to be giving you an exclusive role. So if you join right now, react to my message and announcements before Sunday, you get an exclusive role in the Discord, and let's just make this community more alive. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you do when you want to join the game is you want to, of course, go ahead and use the codes. Now, the current codes in the game are going to be in the description down below. It is sub to King Luffy, sub to Blam Spot, Shadow Monarch, and Happy New Year 2024 AUTD. Those are all the new codes. You put them all over there, and they're also in the description, so you can copy and paste, and you're good to go. So you should have gotten yourself a lot of puzzles, and the first thing you want to do, obviously, when you get the puzzles, is you want to go over here and summon. So you're going to go over here, and you're going to summon. You're also going to get this unit right here, which is a pretty good unit. I'm going to explain why in the future, but you come over here to summon, and you want to summon for your first unit. Here's what I'll say. Since you're beginning to the game, you don't really have to worry about meta. If you want to know what's meta right now, currently Ghetto is really good. Gojo is going to be really good for you to evolve him, but since you're a beginner, I wouldn't really worry about that. Gravity Admiral is going to be really good as well for beginners. Yugi is also really good for beginners. That's his name. Gilgamesh. From this banner over here, I believe, I'm not 100% sure on this banner, but same thing with this banner we already talked. Choso is also pretty good. So is Dio. Rise of Heroes over here. Again, I'm not really sure on this banner. Ultimate Warrior for beginners, I know that Rengoku's good, but he's gonna get outdated. He gets outdated like really fast. So I mean, if you get him and you're a beginner, that's good. And the same thing with Muichiro and Kokushiba, they're still pretty good. And one thing that I want you to keep in mind, that I had this misinterpretation, I guess that's what I would call it, in the beginning of the game. I was so used to all-star tower defense or like other tower defenses where it would be like 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star legendary, and I would be like, okay, these are the only units that are usable. No, in this game, these units as well right here, that they're low for a reason. These are going to be really good unit. If you played all-star tower defense, I would really count this as like 4 stars are the yellows, and then the 5 stars are these ones, and then these are like 6 stars. But even then, there's not a huge gap between this a unit that's LR to a unit that's UR, because they can get very quickly like higher above than the other one. Now, another thing that's very important for you to know about this game is that this game has typing. It's not just a basic tower defense. If you click on your units, you will see that you have different typings right here. So yellow units right here will do more damage to purple units, like the one right here, and then purple will do the green, and so on and so forth. So this is very important for you to know, depending on the level you're going to load into. I'm going to explain to this as we go into the match. But anyways, you summon for your units, you got your team down. If you guys want any recommendations, honestly, just try to get maybe a money unit, like Bulma's a money unit, Denji's a money unit. You really want that in the beginning. But other than that, you really don't need to go instantly for the meta. I plan on bringing a video for the meta, though, maybe tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow. But yeah, now after you're done with that, one thing that's also good for you to know, you don't have to do it right now, depends on when you're watching this video. You always want to do the event stuff, like you have this Christmas thing, just because, you know, you could get one of these units that are going to help you out a lot, and you also could just get a cool skin, you know, you never know. But oh, let's just spin. I didn't even realize I had it. Let's just spin real quick and see who we get. And oh, we got a legendary Christmas skin. I wanted to get Doma. Okay, but we did get a cool Christmas skin. Anyways, over there's nothing right now. And before we go in the match, one last thing for you to know is that this lab right here is going to be very useful because you can evolve basically every unit in this game. even yellow units right here you can evolve, even the rare units you can evolve. So you see, you evolve them to a new level. Like for example, the Gojo one I was talking about over here, you need to get all of this and you evolve him into this Gojo, which is going to be really strong. But this does take a while, so I wouldn't recommend focusing on evolving right now. I just thought I would mention that. And then anyways, what you're going to do is you want to go over here and you're going to load into your adventure. Now this place is going to be very similar if you played Anime Adventures. This right here is like the Infinity Castle. So you go on it beating the levels and you get these things as you go along in the Infinity Castles. Weekly challenges are still coming soon. And of course, this game also does have a battle pass. I didn't buy it. It's not really, it doesn't seem all that worth it to me, but you can go ahead and buy it if you want. Anyways, once you want to go over here, you want to go load into your match, and you'll see that we have many game modes. So story mode is the basic. You want to do the story mode because you need to advance through the story to do the other game modes. And then once you do your story, you can also start doing raid mode, which as you can see right here, it's just raids and they drop you different things. Some of them even dropping you units, and you're going to need these items to evolve certain characters. Now as you can see, I can't do these ones right here because I haven't done the story past them. And one thing about this game is that they have skip levels for stories, so if you have a lot of good units, you can skip the story completely by doing a harder level. Then we have event stages. This one you can join at any time. These, as the name already said, they are event stages. You can get these units from them, you can get these drops, and that's how they work. These event stages are really useful for you to get your damage tasks done. For example, you want to get a lot of damage on your Gojo, that's a purple unit. You're going to want to go over here, see what purple is strong against, and join one of these events over here so you can get good damage on Gojo. Endless mode is just infinite mode, and then legend stages are the special event stages. Like right now, this Christmas event is probably the more worth it one because you get a lot of Christmas points, and you obviously want that before it's gone. But anyways, like I was saying, you go into story mode, load into over here. Let's load into Mist Forage 5 because it's obviously the last one. Let's just go over here and quick start it real quick for us to be able to check it out. Also, this game does have blessings, so if you guys play, like I said, Anime Adventures, also Tower Defense, they all have blessings. A lot of units have it. Even like I guess the lower tier units, they have blessings. So it's a pretty cool thing. But anyways, let's skip over here, load into it. So you're gonna load into here, and this game also has a food system, which I'm gonna explain to you guys as we start. I'm gonna place down my Hikari real quick right here. Only units buffed by the cat. Oh shoot, I completely forgot about that. So I don't think I brought any units like that. That's kind of tough. We're gonna die. But basically how this food system works is certain levels on the game, units will start getting hungry. So every time they attack, they'll lose a hunger bar. And then the more they attack, the more the hunger bar goes low. If the hunger bar goes all the way to 0, then your unit will simply stop attacking. And you have to click here, and you have to buy food. So I'm going to buy the 10 one real quick. As you can see, it delivers me the meat. And then I'm able to go ahead and press this to feed my unit so they can start attacking again. Some people do not like this system. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but this system is not in every level of the game. It's not in every level, and it's usually only in the higher difficulties if you put like hardcore mode or challenger mode. But anyways, let's go back to the lobby real quick because I did not mean to do that, but I don't think I even need to do a match. I think you guys get the basics of it as we're done. Let's just load back over here. And yeah, so if you guys are looking for tips, like I said, just summon for the units and focus on story mode. Story mode is really what you need to get the game started. And once you're done with story, go on their Discord server or my Discord server, and you can get some help from people over there. I'm doing daily live streams, basically grinding with people. So if you guys need people to grind, join my Discord server, join the live streams, do what you got to do. But anyway, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.